Okay, here's another type of money question that we're going to run into, and this is called a money mixture question. So, just a quick review of how to do something like this. It's like on a ferry, we've got children's tickets are $5.50, adult tickets are $8.70, and I'm going to assume each. On Monday, twice as many adult tickets as children's tickets were sold. The total sales were $732.80. How many children's tickets were sold? This is a type of question that you're probably going to need a calculator to help you solve. So it is okay to use calculators on that. Don't There's no need to be trying to do all hand calculations, although if that's what you're into, you're welcome to. Now, this is the type of question where, for at least a brief amount of time, using two different types of or two different variables may be very helpful. But let's go ahead and get started. And again, I'm going to start this with a word equation. So I've got children ticket sales. So I've got child ticket sales plus my adult ticket sales. And that's going to be equal to the total sales. And that pretty much is a good way of translating into math all kind of what all of this is. We haven't put any numbers into it yet, but we're going to do that. So one of the things that I do like to mention is we've been using X and Y as sort of convenient variables, but there are times when it's much better to use well, I would say use a meaningful variable. So here I'm going to say, 550 times C. This is going to be the number of children's tickets. And it's going to be hard that's going to make it really easy to differentiate from, say, my adult tickets, my 870A. It's pretty it's pretty obvious looking at this which is going to be children's tickets and which is going to be adult tickets. Okay, my total sales, $732.80. Now, now I'm going to go ahead and take a look at this other piece of information. On Monday, twice as many adult tickets as children's tickets were sold. So it means that if I sold one, if I've got some relationship between adult and children. Now, if I put a 2 in front of that A, that meant if I sold one adult ticket, I'd sell two children's tickets. But that's not what I've got here. I've got twice as many adults as children. So if I sold one children's ticket and I plug that in here, I'd have two adult tickets. If I sold 10 children's tickets, then there would be 20 adult tickets. So this looks like a good substitution. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to now substitute A for that expression of 2C. So now I'm going to substitute, now I've got this 550C plus 870, but I'm substituting this variable of A. I'm going to put in this expression of 2 times C. And this is a trickier kind of question, but this is what we're going to need to be able to do. All right, I've got 732.80, and here we go. Again, this looks like it's going to be a little bit messy, but this is doable. All we need to do is take a little bit of time to do it. So I've got 550C. I'm going to need to multiply that 870 by 2, so that's going to be 16. It'll be 1740C is equal to our 732 80. Now I'm going to add together these two. I mean, this is, we're just going to add together our coefficients. So that's going to end up being, what is that going to be? 2290C is equal to our 73280. And let's see. And then when we solve this, and all I'm really doing here is I am using my calculator. I'm dividing both sides by this coefficient, by 2290. And I've got the answer of 32. So I've got C is equal to 32. So, and since it's only asking after the children's tickets, not the adult tickets, I can just say that 32 children's tickets were sold. All right, there we go.